Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today we're making pizza dough. It is so easy and all it takes is a few minutes. Then a few days in the fridge and it's all done.
And here are the ingredients.
Half a kilo flour, half a teaspoon dried yeast, a pinch of salt, 3 spoons of oil, half a jar of water, 2 spoons of honey and the kettle. Now we're working on the yeast. Add 2 teaspoons of honey, half teaspoon dried yeast and the water into the kettle. Mix it up while warming it on low fire until the honey melts. Now guys, we're left with flour, salt, oil and the activated yeast. Add everything to the flour and mix it. Cover it real good with plastic foil and leave it in the fridge over 72 hours to ferment and grow. You can cover it up with a small towel on top. This is the result after a couple of days. This is our dough. This will make for such a fluffy and delicious dough. So guys, this was our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and you can also follow us on Instagram. We're gonna leave the link in the description. Thank you so much again for watching and have fun cooking!